It's Friday, 9th of May, and it's Lachlan here with your Minidisc update for the week. First of all, for all you Melbourne folk out there, Minidisc and Oracle Digital will be in the City Library on the 17th of May, that's a Saturday, and we'll be doing 3D ear scans and custom in-ear demos. So if you're interested in getting a pair of custom in-ears and you're based in Melbourne, this is a great opportunity. If you want to make a booking and you want to see more details, you can check out the link in the description of this video. Secondly, we've got the Forte Ears Mefisto available for pre-order. Now, the Macbeth from Forte Ears was an IEM that we thought was going to be really out there based on how it looks. But when we actually had a listen, we realized that it was the really good kind of normal. It's a store favorite IEM and it's Joseph's favorite IEM, so we've got high hopes for the Mefisto. It's up for pre-order and we've got pre-orders open for the limited edition Tour de Force package, which includes the Temptation upgrade cable as well as a limited edition collectible figurine. There's only 200 units of that worldwide, so if you want one, you should put in a pre-order. We also got our demos of the Aspire 1, 2, and 3. These are professional in-ear monitors from 64 Audio. We'll revisit them in a later video, but having listened to them, I can say these are definitely worth checking out. Personally, for me, the Aspire 3 is the standout favorite. And now for the main subject of this video, we received our demo unit of the HEDDphone 2 GT. This is the audiophile tuned version of the original HEDDphone 2 from the German monitor manufacturer HED. The design of the 2 GT is very similar to the design of the original 2. But somehow the 2 GT is very much more comfortable, and I believe that they've decreased the clamp force on the 2 GT by quite a bit. The 2 GT is still a relatively heavy headphone, so it's nowhere close to sort of disappearing on your head, but it is a huge improvement in terms of the clamping pressure compared to the original 2. The GT has a revised ribbon driver compared to the original 2, and as you can see, the driver damping has been significantly changed with the new model. HED has stated that they tuned the 2 GT to be a little bit warmer, but that's really not the whole story, because yes, on the 2 GT, the bass is warmer and fuller, but at the same time, the treble peak sounds as if it's been shifted a little bit higher. So overall, the headphone sounds a bit splashier and thinner, and vocals are pulled back compared to the original 2. That's not necessarily what I expected for a audiophile tuned version of this headphone, because the headphone now overall is a little bit less forgiving and the vocal tone is less smooth compared to the original 2. Personally, I prefer the more vocal forward, smoother tuning of the original model. But if you like a V-shaped sound or you want something that's a little bit more direct, particularly if you listen at lower volumes, you might find the 2 GT a little bit more engaging. Anyway, come in, have a listen, let us know what you think. This is Lachlan for Minidisc TV, and we'll see you next time.